What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you the creative way to make any shape in CSS. First of all, we are going to create a folder in desktop and name it ticket, because I'm going to do a ticket sticker or ticket icon. And now we're going to go ahead and drag and drop it into the text editor. Draw this down here. Now create index file, index.html. Okay, right, we're going to create another file which is style.css. This is the style we're going to use to write our CSS. Now let's go ahead and delete this. Alright, let's go to index first and delete this. Type HTML if we are using Sublime text. Type HTML and then press tab. Should be open. Very fast, run it in the browser, drag and drop it in the browser. Alright, don't need this anymore. Now okay, let me position it very well. Yeah, I think this looks nice. Just a little bit. Okay, so write HTML and then press tab. Should see this brand HTML. It's going to be a ticket design with CSS. Okay, this is all we need, and we're going to have a div which is cover. And oh, I forgot to link CSS. First of all, we are going to link CSS. Style will be linked from here. Not this, by the way, just link. Yeah, link. Press tab to load up things quicker. Type CSS, style.css. Alright, let's start with page initialization. You're going to add the padding 0. And also margin is going to be 0. And box sizing is going to be border box. So now let's move on to the body. Body is going to have only background, which is lavender. The color, the white color, I like a lot. You see, it's different from the white. Now it's going to have a height of 100 view height. If you don't know VH, what stands for. Okay, so now let's go to cover. Remember our div. Okay, so we're going to have position absolute, yes, and then you're going to have height. Let's say height should be smaller. Let's say 50 pixels. I think that should be enough. Okay, so width is going to be more bigger than 50. Let's say maybe 150, 250. Okay, good. Then background to be able to see the actual box. Let's refresh page. You see, doesn't look quite good. Let's change height. Oh, it looks really large. Let's make it smaller. At least 70 maybe. Let's see. Okay, now I think this is good. Okay, so we're going to put it at the center. Just have to type display flex and justify content should be center also, and then alignment items should be also center. All right, yeah, you see, this is what I was looking for. Let's rotate it a little bit. Transform is going to be rotate. Well, let's see. Oh, I think this X should not be here. Yeah. Okay. Oh, this is wrong direction. Let's put negative to see if it is going to rotate in the direction you want. Wow, this is what we need. I think the angle is not quite good. Let's add 30 degrees negative. Yeah, I think this is perfect. Now we're going to do a small dot at the end, both sides, left and right. So before is its shape, but before the box. Now it's going to be content. Nothing in the content. This is useful because it uses like that's content. It gives a shape that before. Okay, height is going to be 40. Let's say background is going to be white. Because background is white, it's not going to be to be shown on the page. Let's add red, maybe because it is bright. Oh well, okay, maybe it's because it didn't specify the width. Alright, width is going to be 40 also to have a perfect square. Well, did we write anything wrong? Position absolute. Let's see. Boom, that's it. So now we have to copy this to put it in the center of the box. Copy it and paste it here. This code specifically helps us to center it. Okay, we don't need everything here. Oops, I think we have to comment adjust file content. Perfect, this is what we need now. We're going to add some negative margin. Okay, let's say left is going to be negative 50 pixels, maybe to put in center. Oh wow, this is big. Well, it should be 20 because the box is 40 pixels. Perfect. All right. Now we're going to copy all of the. Oh, first of all, let's. All right, we're going to copy the entire code for before, and we're going to make after, which is the same box, but this is going to be on the right side of the page. All right, now I'm going to have to put it right to send it back. Perfect. This is how we need. Now we're going to change the background to look like there's nothing there. But first, we need to add border radius to cut it like a circle, like a perfect circle. Now, where is it? Border radius is going to be 50 pixels. All right, let's see. Perfect. So I think it is good for so far. Now let's change to white. It's going to look like there's nothing there. Wow, you see? This is a nice shape, right? Okay, so I think 20, it is deep inside this, add 25. Now you see, this look like really nice mirror shape, extrusion shape maybe. Okay, so now we're going to add a strip line, a dotted line passing entire body of the ticket icon. Now let's say ticket trace. Trace. Yes. Okay, trace it. Alright, now copy it and then go back to your CSS. Yeah, and then so we're going to say height is going to be 100% to be able to close entire entire box. And now width is going to be a little bit like maybe 10%, and this the background should be transparent, by the way, because we don't need any background. All we need is a border. So now let's say border left. No, left. No, border is going to be okay. Border left. Okay, now border left is going to be 10. Okay, let's see now. Oh wow, position absolute is important, guys. Should always pay attention on this. Alright, dash it. It should be dash 10 pixel dash it, and also color is going to be white. Well, I don't think it looks nice. Maybe there's let's add margin. Let's copy it from here maybe. Okay, well, let's say margin, left is going to be, no, where's this? Okay, margin is going to be, okay, margin left is going to be, 20 pixels, let's see. Oh wow, I think it is really big. So I'm going to have 5 pixels. Wow, still looks big, maybe 2. Alright, perfect. Now let's adjust a little bit to be closer to the center, like this. Wow, this is perfect. Let's try even a smaller border, maybe. Well, alright, let's see if that T5 could work. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, guys, now you see, this is it. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, guys. Turn notification bell. Also, we need your suggestions for what we can do in the future. Alright, guys, this is all for today. Bye bye. Have a great day.